Turn that light on up there. Let y'all look at it before it's completely cooked, y'all.
It should be completely cooked.
It is completely cooked.
All
Alright, y'all, that's it. We still gotta cook some more. That is a Boudin stuffed chicken. I'm fixing to slice into it and see what it looks like.
Trying to figure out where you got the strings out of that.
Let me see. We just slice into it. So it's the first time I ever had one.
I'm gonna cut it in half.
Yeah, try to cut it in half. I've never had one.
Oh, it ain't no bones in it.
Oh.
They deboned it.
How do you debone a whole chicken? Oh, look at that.
They deboned it.
Let me see. Alright, y'all, that's the Boudin down in there. Let's see what it looks. This is my plate. Got me some Boudin and chicken. This Boudin, you can see the rice in it. Good. You like it?
It's plain.
It ain't plain, that's spicy. Chicken is juicy.
Yeah, it's just like putting dressing inside a chicken. If you cook it, if you just.
I know, but this is Boudin with rice in it. Yeah.
It's basically dressing.
Not really. They don't have cornbread in it. It's good. I would buy it again. I will buy it again. You don't like it?
It's alright.
I eat it.
I mean, it's alright.
Dorothy bought one and she bought the stuffed crawfish. She's supposed to let me know when she cooks it. It's spicy.
Must be the chicken that's spicy then.
Boudin is.
I took a bite of the Boudin. It wasn't spicy to me, but.
And while I was there, they let me taste one of the chicken pork rind things. It's good. They $20 a pound though. But when I go back, I'm gonna get me like 10 pieces. I don't need a pound.
Get your $4 worth.
I don't need a pound. I don't need that much.
Yeah, but you don't go bad, Wanda.
It had a lot of chicken on it. It was good.
It don't go bad. It didn't have chicken on it.
It did have chicken, and
They don't make
I know, but
cracklings from chicken.
But this one was chicken. When I say the other one is pork. Shut up.
Hey, Lord have mercy.
It's good, Joe.
Lord have mercy. What am I gonna do with you? Chicken cracklings now.
It ain't chicken
That's
cracklings.
Like this. I guess I'm gonna have chicken fingers.
No,
I
it
ain't
had
never seen a
chicken.
with a finger.
It was I don't know what it was. It was chicken. The one I tasted. I think.
I've never seen a chicken with fingers.
Y'all, this is Billy's. It's called Billy's. I ate a sometime I ate a stuffed crawfish pistolette. That was good. It's like the
Think it's done.
let's see. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. I like it. My husband don't really care for the chicken part. He likes the Boudin. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment.
The Boudin don't